How do real assets hedge against inflation for retirement? Have you ever wondered how to protect your retirement savings from the rising costs of living? Inflation can be a real challenge, especially for those on fixed incomes. Today, we are going to discuss how real assets can help you hedge against inflation and secure your financial future. Real assets are tangible investments like real estate, infrastructure, commodities, and natural resources. These assets can maintain or even increase their value when prices rise. This is important because inflation reduces the purchasing power of money. Simply put, the same amount of dollars buys less over time. Let's break down how real assets work as a hedge against inflation. First up is real estate. Property values and rental incomes typically rise with inflation. Landlords can increase rents, and property prices tend to appreciate over time. For African American investors, real estate can be a pathway to wealth building, especially through homeownership or investment properties. Next, we have infrastructure. Investments in utilities, transportation, and energy often have revenues linked to inflation. This means that as prices go up, the income from these assets can also increase, helping to preserve your purchasing power. Then there are commodities and natural resources. Items like gold, oil, and agricultural products usually see price increases during inflationary periods. Holding these physical goods can protect your investments since their prices often rise along with inflation. Another option is Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities. These are government bonds that increase in principal value with inflation. While they are not physical assets, they provide a direct way to hedge against inflation. For retirement strategies, especially for African American investors facing unique challenges, incorporating real assets into a diversified portfolio can be beneficial. This approach can help preserve the real value of your retirement savings against rising costs. It can also provide income streams that adjust with inflation, which is essential for retirees relying on investment income. Moreover, real assets can offer diversification benefits. They often have low correlation with traditional stocks and bonds, which can help reduce overall portfolio risk. Practical ways to invest in real assets include real estate investment trusts or funds focused on infrastructure and commodities. You can access these through retirement accounts like individual retirement accounts or 401(k) plans. Direct real estate investment can also build equity and generate rental income when feasible. However, it is important to remember that real assets come with risks. Property values can decline during economic downturns, and some real assets may be less liquid than stocks or bonds. It is wise to balance real assets with other investments and seek professional financial advice tailored to your individual situation. Real assets can effectively hedge against inflation for retirement by maintaining or increasing their value and income potential as prices rise. This helps protect purchasing power and secure more stable income streams over time. For African American retirement strategies, using real assets can be a meaningful way to build and preserve wealth in the face of inflation and economic challenges.